So let's talk about gas fee.
Let's have it.
Gas fee has been one of the most confusing topics around blockchain network.
Stop.
But first, I want us to understand that gas fee is not the same as the price you pay for your regular NNPC gas or Dangote gas. It is the cost of transaction which is associated with sending, receiving, or basically doing anything on a blockchain network. So let's take for an instance. Each time you initiate a transaction on the blockchain network, like sending cryptocurrency to another user, you create a request on the network, and miners who keep track of these transactions or keep track of this record need a toll fee to prioritize your request, and this toll fee is the gas fee. Gas fee is not fixed. It varies, and it could be dependent on factors like the network congestion, the complexity of the transaction, sometimes blockchain upgrade, and the gas limit itself and the gas price. Curious to learn more? Stick around with FlipEx as we explore this world of cryptocurrency together.